Hello dolls, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be comparing two items, which are Fenty Beauty by Rihanna dry brush cleaning sponge and the quick makeup brush cleaner by The Color. My light is it's too bright actually, guys. So when you open the Fenty Beauty, that's what it looks like there. That's it, guys. And when you open the Color brush cleaner, that's what it looks like. You have to take this off whenever you want to wash it, like that, and then you take this off too, you put it right back. While the Fenty Beauty has nothing in the middle. I'm gonna be cleaning up that there. Okay. That's fair enough. And then I'm gonna be cleaning up that brush. Okay. Now after cleaning it there, you want to also clean it there, which is really good. That's your brush. Wow, guys. Okay, that's fair enough. Which would I recommend? I would recommend this, the Color brush cleaner, because it's giving you two options. You know, after cleaning your brush right there, which is big, you have another place to clean your brush, which is really good. But this, not much to work on, and it's not giving you another option to clean your brush. So which would I recommend? I'll recommend this, of course. Quite affordable, nice, but if you want to go for this, that's fair enough. But this is good for everyone if you want to save some coins. So guys, that brings us to the end of this comparison. If you like this type of video, if it's helpful, do not forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Hit that red button, subscribe. Please comment below what next you'd like to see on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I would love to see you on my next one. Bye dolls.